So, mga friends, so, itong tosino, ilalaga ko muna ha. Oh, ilalaga ko muna. Saka ko lagyan ng mantika mamaya ha. Ilalaga muna ito. Ha? Babalik rin ko ha, dali lang. Oh, shout out Marvin Janet Bawson. Angel Sweet, shout out. Tintin Roca, shout out. Romulo Manawis Garcia Jr., shout out. So, ilalaga ko muna. Pag ayos na, mantika na. Kuya James Vlog, shout out. Tintin Roca, shout out Tintin. Hi Tintin. Imelda Solano, shout out. Yung Oson, shout out. Sir Jindin Gonzales, shout out. James Gonzales, shout out. Kumpare Rodel Perez, shout out pare. Kumare Kura, shout out pare. Balingaw Perez Bautista ha. Parong King Bulag, shout out. Lalaga ko muna ito ha. Sir Ma'am Rose, shout out. Ma'am Fatima Joy, shout out. Armando Kiko, Puso Dagupan, shout out. Yung Uson, shout out. Pulsoy, shout out. Carlo Anjo Navarro, taktak mo, shout out. Danny Jordan Franco, shout out. Lalaga muna yan sa dalawang apo ko, si John Eugene at Maria Josephine, shout out. Yung dalawang anak ko rin, si Mary Joy, John Jonathan Garcia, shout out. Lalaga muna yan ha. Mamaya pag ano na, okay na, mantika na ha, lalaga ko muna ha. So Bagol Kalasyaw, shout out. Nida, shout out. Yan, Montimayor, shout out. See you na ha. Mamaya lalagyan ko ng mantika yan ha.